Hi everyone, I hope you're well. It's Raymond Woods here from Professional Player Pathway and also from Euro Football Star. Also, you can find me on the socials at the Raymond Woods, and that's on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and a few other of our social platforms as well. Now, what we're going to announce is for 2025, and we're super excited to do this. For anyone that does know me, are aware that we've got a book out called the Professional Player Pathway, okay? And it was wrote by me, Raymond Wood, and it was from my background of working for some of the biggest clubs in football over the past 20 plus years. Now, I've worked for teams like Liverpool, Leicester City, Paris Saint-Germain. I'm one of the highest qualified coaches on the planet under UEFA. I'm also a UEFA ambassador and also a UEFA agent. Okay, so I actually represent players as well. For anyone who doesn't know what UEFA is the governing body of football, and they look after anything from within inside Europe, whether it be Spain, England, France, Italy, all of the European countries. Now, what we're going to do is, over the period of 2025, I'm actually going to read out a chapter of the book live on TikTok, and also we're going to record it for YouTube. The reason why is I want everyone to have the secrets of the book. And if you are an aspiring football player, whether you're a boy or a girl aged 10 or 11, or you're 19 years of age, and for whatever reason you don't know how to make it as a footballer, you're not aware that there actually is a pathway to make it as a football player, or financially you can't afford to buy a copy of the book. Now, I will include in the show notes below for you to buy a copy of the book if you would like to purchase a copy. There is a lot more in the book, and there's a lot of diagrams and examples, and there's different QR codes you can scan in there. Also, when you do actually purchase the book, it does give you an opportunity to scan the QR code in the book and join us on one of our scholarship programs as well. But what we've decided to do is, for those boys and girls around the world who can't get access to the book, we've decided that we are actually going to record the book live, okay? So over the next couple of weeks, we're going to record this on TikTok Live, but also what we're going to do is we're going to record every single chapter. Now, in my book, The Professional Player Pathway, we've actually got 14 chapters in the book, and I'm going to read out a chapter every week, and we'll drop it over the next 14 to 16 weeks. Also, what we will do is, once we've released chapter 1, and I read through chapter 1, the next episode you will see will actually be a session and a whiteboard session where I will actually review that particular chapter. So as an example, if we go into chapter 1 on the book, and I give you an example of some of the things. Chapter 1 is called Football Architecture, Building the Foundations of Coaching, Changing the Landscape of English Football. So what we will then do is, for that next episode, we will actually go into a lot more detail. So it'll give you an opportunity to first listen to the book and that particular chapter. And then if you want to watch the next chapter that we'll release, that will be the episodes where we'll actually give you some of the key takeaways and some of the key points. So 14 chapters, and with every chapter having a follow-on episode, that means we're going to release 28 episodes on YouTube during 2025 for free. Now, all I ask in return, guys, is I'm going to do this completely free of charge for every boy and girl on the planet. All I want you to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all you need to do. And if you can, share it to your friends. So if you've got any friends, boys or girls, who love playing football, who want to learn how to make it as a professional, over the next 28 weeks, we're going to release an episode every week. You will get to see all the teachings and all the secrets of the Professional Player Pathway. And all I ask in return, guys, is I just want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The more people that we get to subscribe to the YouTube channel, the more of this free content we can bring, the more sponsorship opportunities we can bring. Now, also, one of the things that we always get, what's the catch? Guys, there is no catch. If you're a mum or a dad who are financially stretched and strained with all of the finances of trying to support your son and daughter's dream, this is going to be the episode for you, because you're going to get the Professional Player Pathway for free during 2025. What about if you're a boy or a girl and you're playing football around the world and you don't have any financial support? Maybe you don't even have a mum and dad who can help with this. You can literally, as long as you can gain access to the internet and to Wi-Fi, you can watch my episodes every week. The reason why I'm doing this is because anyone who knows my story, I always aspired to want to play professional football, but I knew at the age of 15 and 16, I was never going to do it, and it was too late, because I actually discovered that talent was actually made and it's not born. This is why I want to share it. So for all those boys and girls out there who want to make it as a football player, I want to share all of my knowledge, all of my information on being a professional coach in the Premier League, working for some of the biggest clubs in Europe, and now currently being a UEFA ambassador and also a UEFA player agent. So guys, all I ask in return is over the next 28 to 30 weeks as we release each episode, please like, please comment on the YouTube episodes as well. If there's anything you want me to answer in any of the future ones, I'll try my best to do it. But also subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I'm super, super excited to have all of you join me during 2025 as I bring the professional player pathway to you completely free.